Hello viewers, today I discuss the 220 volt single phase motor wiring diagram. Single phase motor circuit diagram first use to circuit breaker MCB or magnetic contact or overload or bell push switch or push button switch use or single phase motor. First connection phase line MCB, phase neutral MCB or outlet circuit breaker or outlet, phase magnetic contact, phase connection, neutral connection or overload connection, magnetic contact or magnetic contact to motor connection, phase or neutral, or MCB to MCB, phase connection or neutral connection. First neutral connection, coil 1 A1 neutral connection or overload outlet neutral to magnetic contact connection. Line overload or circuit breaker phase connection, bell push switch on or bell push switch NC, overload connection or coil 2 connection to NC connection. Circuits complete. The circuit single phase line, motor connection, ground, motor, body. Motor is on, off, bell push on, motor is running, bell push off, motor is up.